All right, first fish competition.
Same pond.
Right now. I'm about to start right now, so.
I don't have anything tied up.
I know, that's the point. There's no clouds. I ripped him right out of the water. First fish. Look at that. Little largemouth. I can see that coverage right over there. That's where he's gonna be. There's Rolland's bass.
Yeah. Little dinker.
It's alright. He's a fighter. He's a fighter. Oh. Okay. So, me and my good buddy Rolland here are about to do the MTB Slam. Pretty much working with two different types of craws. We got a flipping hook, we got the punch rig, and a lipless crank in here. Actually, I'm kind of more worried about this than anything.
I kind of want to use that too.
Throw that around.
I'm about to throw it for real.
Yeah, throw that around. They'll eat that in here.
I feel like it's really go out there.
So we're doing a split MTB Slam. It's gonna be our combined efforts to knock out all these baits in an hour. So I'm gonna start out with the wreck and crawl.
Throw me that lipless crank.
You want the lipless crank?
Yeah, I'll go with that first.
All right. He's gonna start off with a lipless crank.
I feel like this might give me the most trouble, so I'm gonna just do that way first.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna run the flipping hook with the wreck and crawl. There we go. Little one, little baby on. Not a bad size. Oh, I'm happy with it. Just like that, we got the crawl knocked out and that flipping hook knocked out. So that's good. Rolling. So I'm doing the exact same thing I did with the other guy. Just rigged him up. Not a very productive rig. I could put an offset hook on him, but I decided not to, just to keep working with this, just to save time. But if it comes to it, I might have to throw an offset hook on this guy. Oh, he's barely on. No, he's good. Here's number two. Same size. That's a fun size to catch though. This is what I'm working with now. I think it's gonna work out pretty well. Good. You deserve it. After I missed these 3 freaking fish.
Get out of here, dude. No, it didn't.
It snapped me off.
You sure you got that bootleg scum frog?
Yeah. The $3.
I tell you what, I had a scum frog. I casted that every place I went.
Yeah.
The water was glassy, I'm casting.
Yeah.